Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are on our second practical, that is the detection of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. कैसे हम इन तीनों मटेरियल्स को डिटेक्ट करते हैं हमारे गिविंग प्रोडक्ट्स में, इस चीज़ को आज हम यहाँ ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. तो द फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल इज़ रिलेटेड टू योर the related flowers, their ovaries, dissection, characteristics in plants. So we are on our second practical of detection of carbohydrate, proteins and fats. As you already know about what are the carbohydrates, they are the energy giving products, usually a sugar products. Sugar molecules contains in a lot of numbers and they form the highly energy giving material. So simple carbohydrates, they are of so many types. The simple carbohydrate, monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. So now the in second one that we are on, the proteins. What are the proteins? They are the building block elements of our body, which help in the increase of cell, growth of cell, and related to their development, and also helps in the protein synthesis. Okay, they are the long polypeptide chain of amino acid with the 20 amino acid combined with each other with the polypeptide bonds and form the compound, that is the protein. And the next one is the lipid, the fat. What are the fat? They are the heat, act as a heat insulator, giving growth and energy to do work. Contain and it contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, sometimes oxygen, phosphorus also, nitrogen and sulfurs are also present in some fats. They are of two types. They are insoluble in water but soluble in non-polar like chloroform and benzene. So we are now move on the performing area. You can see what is the related procedure. So we are on the real lab procedure, test of carbohydrates. How to test the carbohydrate? Test for glucose और with the help of Benedict test. पहला Benedict test है, हमें इसके लिए मटेरियल जो रिक्वायर्ड रहता है that is the banana extract, Benedict reagent, burner, dropper and the test tube holder. Okay. Now the procedure says that using a dropper, take a small quantity of Benedict reagent, add the reagent to the test tube containing banana extract, boil the sample over the burner for 2 minutes firmly and keep shaking the test tube as it being heated. A brick red precipitate when appears, it confirms that glucose is present in the banana extract. Okay. And the second one is with the failing solution. Take banana extract, the solution A, failing solution, the failing solution B with burner, dropper and test tube holder. The procedure is using a dropper, take a small quantity of failing solution, add the failing solution A to the test tube containing banana extract. Using a dropper, take a small quantity of failing solution B, add failing solution B to the test tube containing banana extract, boil the sample over the burner for 2 minutes and keep shaking the test tube with heating. When the brick red color appears, that means the glucose is present in the banana extract. Now test first starts. They are the related practicals of the. We are only going to perform with the Benedict solution. Now the test of protein, the biuret solution. In this we have to use the first 1% of copper sulfate, 40% of NaOH, egg albumin, dropper, test tube holder. First of all, using a dropper, take a small quantity of NaOH solution. Add a few drops of NaOH solution to the test tube containing egg albumin. सबसे पहले इसमें हमें albumin जो egg जिसमें test tube में है उसमें हमें NaOH का solution इसमें मिलाना है. Using a dropper, take a small quantity of 1% copper sulfate. उसी में 2-3 ड्रॉप्स कॉपर सल्फेट की डाल करके आपको उसको मिक्स करना है, शेक वेरी वेल. A violet color appears in the test tube which indicates the presence of protein. If the red color indicates that is the presence of carbohydrate and the violet color is present, that shows the presence of protein. Now the next one is test for fat. The material required, you can see the oil, the Sudan third solution and the dropper. Using a dropper, take a small quantity of Sudan 3 third reagent. Add few drops of Sudan third reagent to the test tube containing albumin. Shake the solution to mix it well. Pink droplets appears. It indicates the fat is present in the oil. Okay. So these are the related material required. Now we are moved to the performing area. How to perform these practicals, we have to watch it properly. Do not forget to mention these practicals in your lab manuals. Now first we are on the test for carbohydrate, proteins and fats. The first one is our carbohydrate. You can see presence of glucose with the Benedict test. Material required, जो चीज़ें हमने पहले पढ़ी थी वो सब चीज़ें इसमें हैं. The help of dropper, Benedict reagent, banana extract, test tube, burner and the test tube holder. You can see, use a dropper, take a small quantity of Benedict solution in the banana extract and it becoming in the purple color. Now put and hold test tube with this test tube holder. Mix it well. The color changes from blue to green and finally orange brick color indicates. It shows the presence of the carbohydrate in the given sample. Now the failing test. It is also the test of a related carbohydrate. You can see the solution A, solution B of failing, banana extract in a test tube and burner with a beaker, burning beaker. So what is the procedure? You can see, take a dropper, put failing solution A in the test tube with the banana extract. Then second one, take the second dropper, take few drops of failing solution B, put into the banana extract, stir it very well, shake well. Now firmly place it into the water bath. Wait for color changing. The color changes from blue to green and finally to orange or brick red, indicating it shows the presence of glucose. Now the process of sucrose. The test of sucrose. The material required same as proper HCl, the NaOH, the Benedict solution, the sugar cane, extract in a test tube with the test tube holder, the Bunsen burner. Now see, take dropper, fill it with HCl, put into the extract solution of banana. After it, take the test tube holder and put the test tube for hydrating and firmly with the test tube take a bath. After this, the hydrolysis sucrose into glucose and fructose. Using a dropper, take a small quantity of NaOH, put it into the extract solution. The presence of glucose. After it, using a dropper, take a small quantity of Benedict reagent. Add the reagent to the test tube containing sample. Boil the sample in a water bath for 2 minutes, holding the test tube. Now the color becomes changes and the blue to green appears. It indicates After the finally orange or brick red color indicate the presence of glucose. We are not the iodine test. You can see the dropper, the iodine solution and the potato extract in a test tube. Procedure: using a dropper, take a small quantity of iodine solution, mix into the extract of potato. After some time it converted into blue black. It shows that the presence of carbohydrate. Now we are on protein test. The first one is the iodine test. Take a dropper, 1% of CaSO4, 40% of NaOH and a test tube with the egg albumin, the white portion of the egg. So what the procedure says, take 40% of NaOH first, add to the albumin extract. After it, using a fresh dropper, take a small quantity of 1% CaSO4, add 2 or 3 drops of CaSO4 solution to the test tube, and it becoming violet color. Shake the solution to mix it well. A violet color appears in the test tube, which indicates the presence of protein. Now we are on the practical of fats. Sudan third test. Material required: the oil, the Sudan test, the dropper and oil in a test tube. Okay, only 3 material required in this practical. The procedure saying, using a dropper, take a small quantity of Sudan 3 reagent, add few drops of Sudan third reagent to the test tube containing oil. Shake it well. Shake the solution to mix it well. You can see the droplets under the test tube. It shows the presence of lipid. Light pink color droplet shows. I hope you all understand. You must have to remember the related requirement or related material or related reagents to the practical for performing the practical. There are no similar reagents using in every practical. There are different reagents. You can see it very well. So make it clear. You have to note down